In this video, I will show you how to show car park info on the Suzuki Vitara maps. Let's begin. So, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Let's select here the settings, so this gear icon. If you open the settings, let's use the left tab and select here map settings. From map settings, you need to scroll down a few times until you see Show Car Park Info. You can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle. So this integrates live or database info about parking lots. When you are approaching your destination, the map will display P icons. Depending on your car's data connection, it may even show a real-time availability, how many spots are left, or the cost of the parking garage. So it could be quite useful. So if the car has those information, it's great to read them. So I will enable this information and this feature. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.